Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. I have a lot of drawing videos and drawing playlists. I have a lot of border design videos too, and they're all in different playlists. I will link some at the top right hand corner, but you can also check out my main channel page and just see I have like 200 videos. So today it's just going to be two borders designs because I'm still fighting the flu and my voice is just, you know how it is. I'm blowing my nose every 2 seconds, so I'm sure it'll be coming here any any minute, and I don't want it to be on on video. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave me a comment, just say hi or whatever. And I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I'm going to keep it short and I'll just let the music play so I can go rest. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.